Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss an example for solution of trigonometric equation. So for this video I'm going to solve the 5 tangent x minus cotangent 2x plus 5 equals to 0 for the angle 0 until 2 pi, which is equals to 0 until 360 degree. So at first I'm going to switch or simplify or convert the angle 2x to x. So my suggestion would be by using the trigo ratio. Okay, as we all know, cotangent 2x, which is equals to 1 over tangent 2x. That is the trigo ratio. Next, I'm going to use the double angle. Tangent to x is equals to 2 tangent x over 1 minus tangent square x. So now I'm going to substitute the situation. 5 tangent x minus 1 over tangent 2x plus 5 equals to 0. Next, I'm going to substitute the double angle. 5 tangent x minus 1 over 2 tangent x over 1 minus tangent square x plus 5 equals to 0. Rearrange the situation and we will have 5 tangent x minus 1 minus tangent square x over 2 tangent x plus 5 equals to 0. Next, I'm going to multiply all the terms with 2 tangent x, or I'm going to equal the denominator. So we will have 10 tangent square x minus 1 plus tangent square x plus tangent 10 tangent x equals to 0. Simplify the situation and we will have 11 tangent x. So we have a square plus 10 tangent x minus 1 equals to 0. So now we have a quadratic equation and I'm going to factorize the situation. So we will have 11 tangent x minus 1 bracket tangent x plus 1 equals to 0. So finally we have tangent x equals to 1 over 11. Tangent x is equals to negative 1. So now I'm going to solve the situation, which is finding the x. Step number 1, observe the situation. So for this case, tangent is positive. So for tangent to be positive, it will be the first quadrant and the third quadrant where we have the basic angle. Second step, we are going to determine the basic angle. So tangent x equals to 1 over 11. X will be equals to 5.19 as a basic angle. Next, we are going to determine the range. The range given by the question is 0 until 2 pi. So I prefer to convert into angle because easy for me to visual. So the range for this question will be 0 until 360 degree. Step number 4, I'm going to refer to the diagram and make the rotation based on the range. So as we previously have discussed in number 1, observe. So in the first and third quadrant, so that will be our basic angle. Next, our basic angle is 5.19 for both sides. Number 3 is the range. Starting point will be 0. Rotate until 360. So we will have two answers. Okay, intersection between the line and the basic angle. So step number 5 would be the solution. So for the solution, x will be equals to 5.19. Next would be 180 plus with 5.19, and our final answer, x will be equals to 5.19 and 180 5.19 degree. So next I'm going to find the answer for tangent x equals to -1. So now we are going to discuss tangent x equals to -1. Step number 1, tangent x is negative. So for this case, we are going to determine where is the tangent negative. We will be having second quadrant and the fourth quadrant as a basic angle. Second step is to determine the basic angle. Do remember to ignore the negative sign. So tangent x is equals to 1. So x equals to 45 degree, which is the basic angle. Step number 3, determine the range. So as usual, the range will be 0 degree until 360 degree. Next, we are going to discuss step number 4, the diagram and the rotation. So given the basic angle in the second quadrant is 45 and the fourth quadrant also 45. Next, we are going to have the rotation start from 0 until 360. So we have two answers. Okay, so the answer for x will be equals to 180 minus 45, we will have 135 degree. 360 minus 45, we will have 315 degree. So finally, we have to express the answer in the form of radian. So x will be equals to, for 5.19, after we multiply with pi and divide by 180, we will have 0.0906 radian. Then followed by 135, multiply with pi and divide by 180, and we will have 3 pi over 4. The third answer will be 185.19 after the conversion, and the answer will be 3.2322 radian. And finally, we have the answer for 315 is equals to 7 pi over 4. So here we are, and thanks for watching.